Hi everyone, welcome to another home edition of Word of the Day. We're going to continue with our phonetics lessons. Today we're going to do what I think is one of the most confusing triads for a lot of people. These are the alveolar affricates, z, z, t. So alveolar meaning your tongue touches your alveolar ridge, and affricate meaning it sounds as a stop, it starts as a stop. So when you start to produce the sound, all air, all breath is stopped, but then when you release it, this hiss comes out. So think of like t or z, right? So again, like all the other triads we've covered, Eastern Armenian, like Classical Armenian, maintains the three sound distinction. And all three standards, Eastern Armenian, Western Armenian, Classical Armenian, have all three letters. So let's start with these, z, which will phonetically translate as TS, z as DZ, and t, the aspirated one. So z is your voiceless one, meaning your vocal cords are not active and it's not aspirated. There's no breath coming out. Z is the voiced equivalent. Your vocal cords are vibrating when you say it. So if you actually place your fingers around your throat, you'll hear the vibration z. And then t is the same sound as z, but it's aspirated. So if you place your hand in front of your mouth, t, you should feel a puff of air coming out. So in Eastern Armenian, these three letters correspond to three sounds. So z is z like tzarik, z is z like dzuk, t is t like tzav, pain, right? In Western Armenian, these three letters have remained, but the three sounds have been reduced to two sounds. Again, like all of the other triads we've covered, so the voiceless one has now become voiced. So the letter z is now pronounced like the voiced version, z. And the voiced has moved on to t. So if an Eastern Armenian speaker would say tzarik, a standard Western Armenian speaker would pronounce that z as a z. If an Eastern Armenian speaker would say dzuk, a Western Armenian speaker would say tsuk. And the t has remained the same. So tzav in Eastern Armenian, tzav in Western Armenian. Again, this is a general rule. Are there exceptions? Always. But this is the general phonetic pattern. Eastern Armenian and Western Armenian have these three letters. Eastern Armenian maintains a one-to-one correspondence, a three-way distinction. Western Armenian sound-wise, pronunciation-wise, reduces it to a two-way distinction. Yeah? So good luck with your z.